Hey Persona ladies, welcome back to Tuesdays with Trish. Today's topic is going to be fashion mistakes that we as women make that make us look a little bit older without us even realizing it. So the first thing that we do is, you know what, I'm just such a firm believer in wearing the right undergarments because the undergarments are like the foundation to every outfit that you do. Just as the foundation of your home is so important for a good structure, the foundation, your undergarments are so important. So the first mistake that I see a lot happening as women come into the store is wearing the wrong bra or the wrong bra size. When you don't wear that right bra, the right fitting bra, what happens is everything just wants to kind of sag, which, believe it or not, can make you look 10 pounds heavier right in the middle. And that's where, as we age, women seem to carry a little bit more right in the middle. So in the store here, we carry the Braleluja. Now this is a front clasp, and it has just nice support on it. It's what I wear all the time. But what we love about this is the straps. They're not adjustable, but if you see they're wide, so they do the smoothing out up on the shoulders. And right here doesn't show the little lines in it, but this nice and wide, and so it does all that smoothing, so you get rid of the, your side fat, lack of a better term, or what hangs over. And the same with the back. It's going to do that smoothing out because we all get a little bit of that back flab. So I just feel it's so important. And right along the lines of not wearing the right undergarments is, I'm a firm believer, you need to wear a cami or you need to wear some sort of smoothing undergarment. These are my two favorites that I wear all the time. They're called thin stinks, so they're nice and thin. They're not made to compress, they're made to smooth, just to help everything lie a little better. So I wear this, and I also have a black one. Both really important, just game changer. And the other thing is sometimes, you spend all that money on bottoms or a dress, and I look, and ladies, just because you are aging, you don't need to wear granny underwear all the time. So I look for ones that are seamless. We also carry these in the store. No seams, so they just do a nice smoothing once again. So my first is not wearing the right undergarments. The second is we've been so trained for years into thinking that you got to wear black because black is slimming. It might slim you, but as we age, our skin starts to change, the color tone, and it gets a little paler, sometimes a little sallow. So sometimes what black does is it can make you just look a little sharp. All your features a little sharper, draw attention to maybe things up here you don't want drawn to. So I'm all in black because next week I'm going to show you ways of what I would do with this basic black outfit to change it up into something that does help you look a little bit younger. So don't wear all black. The last one that I'm going to tell you about is we all love nice, comfortable jeans or bottoms. And sometimes we look for that spandex or that elastine in them. Well, yes and no. I'm a firm believer that our democracy jeans have those in there, but you have to have the right amount of spandex in them. Too much, they start to sag, and then in the tush and that. And right away, I think you do look older with that. It's just not the trendy look you want. So I want you to stay tuned for next week's and of how I'm going to give you solutions to ways that women make themselves look older, dress older without realizing it. So until next week, have a good one.